everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the latest update announced by Instagram. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. So yeah, the feature they were testing since 2019 is finally here, and now Instagram gives you the option to hide, like and view counts. Now this option is not mandatory and you can just enable and disable it whenever you want. So to hide likes count on Instagram, you just have to open the post and press these three dots icon, and there you will see the option to hide, like and view count. So the view count option will appear when it's a video, alright, and if I will press that, so as you can see, the number of likes or views are going to disappear, alright. So you will not see the number of likes or views you have received, but if you will press right here below the heart icon, you will be able to see the number of likes or view counts, alright. So it will be, but here back it will be hidden and look like this when someone views your post. So it will not show the likes you have received or the views you have received. So that's how you can hide likes for every single post, and now I will show you how you can do that for your complete account. So you have to tap the profile icon and then press these three lines at the top, go to settings, and here you have to tap privacy, and now you have to go to post, and here you will see the option to hide like and view counts. So if you will turn this on, you will not be able to see the total number of likes and views on post from other accounts. You can hide like counts on your post when you create them by going to advanced settings and turning on hide like and view counts on this post. So you can also use this option when you are going to create a new post. So now I will show you how to do that, alright. So also if you will keep this option enabled, you won't be able to see the total number of likes and views on posts from other accounts as well, alright. So yeah, now let's go back and I will show you how to do that on a new post. So here is the new post that I want to create, and now you have to press next, and now here you will see the option advanced settings. You have to use that, and here at the top you will get the option to hide like and view counts on this post. So you can also use this option whenever you are going to create a new post on Instagram, alright. So if you will enable this option, only you will be able to see the total number of likes and views on this post, and you can also change this later by going to the menu like I have shown you previously, alright. So yeah, I'm going to turn this on, and this will hide the number of like and view counts on this post. Also, if you are not getting this option, make sure your Instagram app is updated. So yeah, I hope you found this information helpful, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel for more such useful and informative videos. You can also share your suggestions for my next videos in the comment section below, and I will take the leave now. We'll see you the next time.